CapCut has made editing very easy. In this video, I'll be showing you how to edit your videos on PC using CapCut. Welcome to Module 1 of this class. Today, I'll be teaching you the basic tools you are meant to know using CapCut. We are going to start with every tool you can see on this interface. The first thing we can see on this interface is media, followed by audio, followed by text, stickers, effects, transitions, captions, filters, adjustments, templates, and AI avatar. So in this class, I'll be showing you how to make use of each without doing guesswork. Starting with the media section, we have imports, we have media, we have subprojects, yours, AI media, spaces, library, and Dreamina. The import section, on clicking on it, this section is used to import all medias or photos that you would like to use for your edits. Let's click on import. Can you see this section showing the import with plus sign? So imagine you have a video that you want to import. You click on this plus and it takes you to where to your PC library or where your videos are being stored on your PC. For the subproject will show the videos that you've edited on your app. These videos you are seeing currently are the work that I've done on this app and those that I'm yet to complete. Next is yours. This section showing yours is like a preset of saved videos or files assets. This is AI media section. You can actually use AI to create images or videos, and you can do that by either importing your preferred image with your prompts to give you your desired results. Same with your AI video too. And then for AI dialogue scene, in this section you can upload your character with your preferred audio, then tell AI to generate your desired results using prompts. Next is spaces. So this section shows the videos that you've uploaded on your app cloud. I'm going to explain this further in the next class. Next is library. Library shows different or several short videos that you can use while editing. These are saved short videos that makes your work easy anytime you are editing. So you can check the section for trending, Christmas and new, green screen, background, video asset that you can use for intro and end videos, for transitions, scenery, atmosphere. Then the last part is for videos in the live section. Next is Dreamina. So the next two is audio. These sounds and music adds more to your storytelling while editing.